The Hubble Space Telescope has observed a massive galaxy cluster known as Abell 3827. The galaxy cluster Abell 3827 is a cluster located approximately 1.3 billion light-years away in the southern constellation of Indus. It is so huge that its gravity bends light like a giant lens. According to astronomers, galaxy clusters are fundamental building blocks of the universe. They play a similar role to that of stars and galaxies. Galaxy clusters contain thousands of galaxies of all ages, shapes, and sizes. Galaxy clusters have a mass of about 1 million billion times the mass of the Sun, and they form over billions of years as smaller groups of galaxies slowly come together as one. At one point in time, galaxy clusters were believed to be the largest structures in the universe, until they were taken from their high post in the 1980s by the discovery of superclusters. Superclusters, which typically contain dozens of galaxy clusters and groups and span hundreds of millions of light years across. Clusters do have one thing to cling on to, however, and superclusters are not held together by gravity, so galaxy clusters still retain the title of being the largest structures in the universe bound by gravity. If one were to consider the cluster of hundreds of galaxies, it is amazing to recall that until less than a century ago, many astronomers believed that the Milky Way was the only galaxy in the universe. The possibility of other galaxies had been debated, of course, but the matter was not truly settled until Mr. Edwin Hubble confirmed that the Great Andromeda Nebula was in fact far too distant to be part of the Milky Way galaxy. The Great Andromeda Nebula became the Andromeda Galaxy, and astronomers recognized that our universe was much larger than we had imagined. Edwin Hubble would be so fascinated by this discovery of Abell 3827 through the use of the NASA ESA Hubble Space Telescope. It is a spectacular image of beauty. Abell 3827 was observed by the Hubble Space Telescope in an effort to study dark matter, which is one of the greatest puzzles that cosmologists, astronomers, and researchers encounter daily. The galaxy cluster was made from separate exposures taken in the visible and infrared regions of the spectrum with Hubble's Advanced Camera 4 surveys and the Wide Field Camera 3 instruments. Astronomers used 4 filters to sample various wavelengths. The color of this image resulted from assigning different hues to each monochromatic image associated with an individual filter. Abell 3827 is a rich galaxy cluster. You can see strange blue structures surrounding the central galaxies as they are gravitationally bound. It shows a view of a much more distant galaxy beyond the cluster. Observations of the central galaxy show that there are 4 merging galaxies, and these provide information that the dark matter around one of the galaxies is not moving with the galaxy itself. This may imply that dark matter interactions of an unknown nature are occurring. At the center of the Abell 3827 galaxy cluster is a giant interacting elliptical galaxy. It has strong gravitational lensing effect, the measurements of which indicate that the galaxy is one of the most massive in the known universe. This interacting galaxy was found 1.4 billion light-years away in the center of Abell 3827. It consists of a huge halo of stars surrounding its interacting nuclei. It is an immense galaxy that possesses great gravity that holds the cluster together due to its mass. Its unusual shape has led to the conclusion that each one of the nuclei was formed from multiple collisions of smaller galaxies, and at this point the nuclei are merging to form a single huge elliptical galaxy. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this fascinating image that has been produced by the Hubble Space Telescope of the massive galaxy cluster Abell 3827. Thanks for watching and goodbye.